Hola, estudiantes. It's Mrs. Santiago here, and today we're going to be working with the daily routine and reflexive verbs. Let's start by reviewing what the reflexive verbs are as vocabulary. Afeitarse, peinarse, ducharse, bañarse, maquillarse, lavarse, vestirse, quitarse, ponerse, despertarse, descansarse, levantarse, cepillarse, secarse, secarse el pelo, acostarse, sentirse. Now let's explore how these verbs are used to talk about your daily routine. You use the vocabulary of reflexive verbs and categorize them by what time of day you do that activity. And now we're actually going to look at how to use them. What do these verbs all have in common? Vestirse, secarse, ponerse. If you said it's they all end in se or se, that is correct. But what does the se mean? It means yourself. Let's look at it in context and see if you can see the conjugation and how it's changing. Remember, this is a pace lesson, so you're going to watch the presentation with attention to form. We will co-construct and then we'll have an extension activity. Yo me levanto a las 5:30. Yo me ducho en la bañera. Yo me seco con la toalla. Yo me visto en la ropa. Yo me cepillo los dientes. Yo voy a la escuela. This was my daily routine. Let's take a look. Yo me levanto. Yo me ducho. Yo me seco. Yo me visto. Yo me cepillo. Yo voy a la escuela. Take a careful look at the sentences. What is the rojo? What is the amarillo? And the verde is just a regular verb. What do you notice? Las notas. When we look at this slide, we notice that levantarse, the se became me and went in front of the conjugated verb. And all of the verbs end in an O because you're talking about yourself. So yo, the me, the O. Yo me levanto, yo me seco, yo me cepillo. Yo, the me, the O. Going to take the notes together. You can pause the video and take your notes. We're going to go on and talk about the next part. What do we do when we talk about others? Let's watch again and see if you can figure out the change. ¿Tú te levantas a las 7:10? Yo me ducho en la bañera. Juan se ducha por la noche. Nos cepillamos en el baño. Mateo y Elena son hermanos. Ellos se acuestan a las 10. What did you notice? Tú te levantas. Juan se ducha. Nos cepillamos. Ellos se acuestan. Are you noticing a change from me levanto? That's right. The te, se, nos, and se have changed. The verb has also conjugated to match the person who's doing the action. Tú te levantas, you get yourself up. Tú and levantas are conjugated to match. And te is the reflexive verb yourself. Juan se ducha. Ducha is conjugated to match Juan, and the se at the end of ducharse moved to the front of the verb. Nos cepillamos. Cepillarse was conjugated, so cepillar matches nosotros, cepillamos, and the se became nos. Se acuestan. Acostarse, O-to-U-E stem changer, changed to match ellos, and then the se went in front. Las notas. We will take the notes on this part. If you have any questions, please review the materials and the notes pages.